Hi, guys. So here we go. Chapter 7. Architecture is our subject this week. Now, architecture is a subject that is near and dear to my heart. I earned a degree in interior design before I went into teaching, so I'm all about architecture. Now, we're going to go in a little different order than our text does. I'm going to give you some basics, a little building 101, if you will. And so we'll talk about different styles of architecture first, and then we'll go back and pick up with the text on how we use buildings, what buildings are used for, and keeping in mind that, like many of the other things we've already talked about, most buildings are not used for a single purpose. They are instead multi-purpose, even our homes. Now, to be really honest, what we're going to be doing this week just barely scratches the surface of architecture. Architecture is a complete discipline all on its own. We're going to talk about historic architecture, but understand that there's a lot of innovative new architects doing some amazing new things with some amazing new materials. So we can study the ancient styles. We can study Romanesque, Gothic, Greek, but there is a lot of cool stuff that's been done in architecture over the last 100 years. In fact, I recently watched some TikTok postings that shows a company using 3D printer technology to build houses out of concrete. Check it out if you get a chance. It's really cool. Now, I would love to introduce you to all of the famous architects or even just my favorites, but I'm going to really, really work to keep this shortish. So now, a quick word about your mystery artist artwork for the week. This is a picture of a sculpture. Okay, make sure you understand that this artwork is actually a three-dimensional wire sculpture rather than a 2D artwork. Okay, so it is a two-dimensional picture of an actual three-dimensional sculpture. Keep that in mind. So here we go. I'm going to start digging into some architecture.